if you give me 5 minutes of your time, I'm going to explain you exactly what is your superpower as a man. It's your ability to say no. And if you take the time to understand this today, most likely you're going to advance in life with less pain, less suffering, and less loss. So self-control is by far the new strength. We say yes to every indulgence. Sometimes we're on our phone. Sometimes we say yes to things that we don't want to do. We say many times yes to our partner purely because we don't have the power to understand whether what's been asked of us is something that is serving us or whether it's been used for someone else's benefit. So I think it's very important in today's society, especially as a man, have the ability to say no to many things. For example, when you go in your fridge and you have two different options, is to say no to the unhealthy one and say yes. So replace the bad with the good. This is something that I had to learn the hard way growing up. I told through personal our mistakes. But for example, the ability to say no when you wake up and jump on your phone and scrolling, dumb scrolling, there's the ability to say yes to focus, to discipline, to moving forward and moving the ball forward in the direction that you wanna move. So that is something that today in today's society, it's by far I think the number one thing that us men we need to improve, and it's a true superpower. So self-control beats raw aggressions. So this is something that you will understand with time, and very few men are able to walk away from situations that do not serve them. Discipline compounds over motivation. Motivation is something that unfortunately it has a very short uh, time burst and then it dissipates. But if you have the discipline to wake up and do things through a calendar, like something that I have, like at this time I have to do this, at this time I have to go to the gym, at this time I have lunch, at this time I have an app, at this time I recharge, at this time I exercise, what ends up happening is that you create within your mind a pattern recognition that by that time that's what you have to do. And regardless the way that you feel, you're going to do it. And discipline compounds over time because results, it's like life is like a marathon. It's not about winning a sprint race, it's about showing up every day, achieving that small 1% goal every day, and that compounds over time. It's like money, it's like the gym. You're not going to achieve your dream body by showing up the 1st of January at the gym and then not showing up ever again and you go and you smash it. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. You have to be disciplined every day to go to the gym, work in a specific manner, and it compounds over time. So the body that I have, for example, has been built over 20 years of suffering, going to the gym and showing up every single day, even when I don't want to. This is very important. Nobody talks about, and unfortunately, this is the truth. Delayed gratification separate men from boys. If you want the lolly today, if you want the hot girl today, you're a boy, and to be a man is actually having the ability to delay that gratification, understanding that results compounds over time, and the small little change that you have today in refusing to submit to short-term pleasure will compound over the time and give you a deeper meaning, a deeper understanding, a deep return of your investment of time. Silence is a form of dominance. This is another thing. When you're able to control your emotions and say no to the type of response that you're gonna give to the other person or to the circumstances, what ends up happening is that you create control over your own person. So with silence, you move. You don't have to explain. You don't give justification. It's just your way and your way only, and that's how you move usually through life faster, with a better direction and with less waste of time. This is something very important to me: is being extremely effective and maximizing the time output and focus. And the last one is consistency create unshakable confidence. Meaning, once you're able to show up for yourself and keep a promise to yourself, so to keep a promise to yourself, you say no to many different things. You build a level of confidence that gives you that momentum of moving forward towards the direction that you want to achieve in life. And this compounds over time because the more you're able to keep that promise to yourself, the more you're able to say no um, to things that they're trying to pull attention away from your life. The more you show up for yourself, the more you create that momentum, the results. You see the results in the gym, you see results in the way you're thinking, you see results in the clarity and focus that you have during the day. And the more you're going to keep moving towards that direction, which compounds over time. Those are the very much the fundamentals rules that you need to apply and oblige in order for you to achieve greatness in life. As a man, it's extremely hard today because we are constantly trying to find the next dopamine hit. And I'm me too. Like I'm a human. I'm not God, and I follow. Like I end up in those traps myself. But what keeps me moving forward is to have a calendar that I schedule everything that needs to be done every day. To have three things. For me, the biggest difference that has made is having a setup time, waking up in the morning at the exact same time, 7:30 a.m. for me. So having an alarm, wake up, go straight into work mode, have a prayer of gratitude that really, really helps during the day, and have three things that I need to achieve on that day, whether it's gym, whether it's business, whether it's work, whether it's creating something, and do those three things at the top of the day. So then it frees all my afternoon, all my evening to do whatever I want. But the number one thing in the morning that I like to do is to be productive, be creative, create something of value, sharing what I'm trying to give to society, to create value, and hopefully have lessons that you guys are able to learn from and not make the same mistakes that I made, which are extremely painful and lead you to self-destruction. So this is my 5 minutes of the day. I hope you find value. And if you have any questions, just pop it below, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm here to do my best to hopefully adding value to your life and to mine, obviously in this forever process of growing and creating.